what's going on? About to pull up to the shop in a little bit. Almost there actually. We're building the damn cubby shelf cubbies. So whatever. I gotta build the damn cubbies. Gotta go to the shop. Gotta go to the shop. Take some measurements. Bug out. Go to Lowe's. Oh shit, dude. All the throwbacks today, but alright, yeah, I need to do all that. I need to get the measurements. I need to go get some wood, do some freaking hauling with my truck here, the Cloud Bach. So I'll see you guys at Le Shop. Hello. Hey, oh, he let me pet him this time. Hey, puppy. He's an old boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Alright, so things of number one importance today. I'm going to try to also do the table, but I don't have my Sawzall with me, nor do I have blades or a grinder. So I don't know. I'm sure Ronnie does, but I'm just going to use that to, you know, dissuade me from doing that today. But I will do that today if I have to, because technically right now it's April 1st and I should be out of the other shop. So I'm trying to bring my cars here, and if my cars are going to be here, I want nothing, like I said, anywhere on the area, anywhere over here, alright? Nothing can be here. Gotta work on getting this up there, because within the next 2 days, I'm trying to get the cars down here. 2-3 days, tops. So, what I'm gonna do, take measurements from here to there, and I'm gonna need, okay, I'm hoping I did this right. So I'm gonna need 4 11'9" 2x4s, cut to 11'9", so I don't have to do it. 4 3'8" 2x4s. Those are gonna be for here, 12 2-foots. So I hope I did that right. I'm gonna double check real quick. I don't know how to double check because I don't know if I did it right, but I'm gonna check real quick and we'll see, you know, what's good with this. Make sure I have these measurements right. Alright, we should be good. Alright, so I need 6 12s and 1 16. ¿Qué pasa?
What are you doing?
Jack shit, I need to use oh dude, this is like damn near copyright.
Oh, that's funny, right?
So these two 8-foot ones, these are gonna be the hangers, right? So mark these all at 2, shop them there. And then these are all 12, these are all 6 12-foots, so they're gonna be different lengths. We're gonna cut them now. So here's the 2-foot jammies. They're marked but not lined. 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot, 3'8", 3'8", 3'8", 3'8", 11'9" times 4 saw. So there's the 4. There's the 12, I think, probably. And here's the 4. You guys will see what I mean. I forgot to film, but that's the general idea. Originally I wanted to go down here, so now there's only like 1.5 foot to up there, but it's okay because I could put stuff like this and there's still room up there. Okay, so that's the outside / inside support for this one. Then I'm gonna just go against the wall right here at the same height as this, which I will measure from the top, and then we're gonna cut the plywood, screw it to the bottom of it. That way I'm gonna put stuff in here and there'll be a lip there. That was Ronnie's idea originally. I was gonna put it up here, but you know, more space, so that's what we're gonna do. And I obviously won't have that problem here because the wood is not across, it is this way.
In a way?
No. I was just making really good cinematic shots. It's like a music video for the wood. You guys catch my drift? That's the basic idea here. See the whole thing from the front? Yeah, it looks pretty freaking sick. Hell yeah, boy. So, and these two here are cut. Shout out to Ronnie for helping me cut things and friggin' hold things in place and or screw things. But we gotta do this right here, that, and then the two pieces for here. We're meant shelves would be done. Very nice. These cold mans. Piece this drill bit out, dude. Been putting in too much work with it. All right, Ronnie went home, but I'd like to show you guys finished product. Kind of, maybe if there's like something else I can do, or maybe you guys have like another suggestion where I could save even more space. You know, whatever you guys think. I don't know. I'm open to them. But boom. All right, there we go. Very freaking nice. Now, Ronnie did say that like if I wanted to not have these here, like that wouldn't be a problem. I could have just came out farther, but I just figured probably not the first thing I want happening ever. So I just figured, you know, these are fine. I can store as much shit up there as I want. If you look in here, like look at all that freaking shelf space right there. Hell yeah. So I have, this goes all the way to the corner. All the way to the corner, all the way across. Exactly what I said I was going to do yesterday. Came out awesome. What I'm going to get from the other shop, I'm literally just going to stand up right here. I'm going to put those blankets behind it, obviously. Maybe get some foam. But I'm going to stand them up behind this. That's why I left like a little bit right here. So that I can go all the way across with all that wood. And yeah, just kind of block off down here. Kind of airtight it as much as I can anyway for now. But very good. They're strong. Like here, let me I got you guys. Hold on. You know? Ugh. So if that shit can hold 200-pound me, should be no damn problem, you know, storing shit up there, which is dope. So let me freaking put everything that I want to put up there. I'll be back in a second. I gotta freaking put a bunch of stuff on shelves. Yeah, exciting day, eh? Yeah, it is. Not even being like sarcastic. It's actually pretty damn exciting. Starting to look a lot bigger in here, right? Yes, sir, it is. Just kind of threw everything up there. Obviously, all this stuff isn't going to stay up there, or at least not in the orientation that it is, but it's up there. And I could, you know, I have a lot of room to put more stuff up there if I want. Like, everything's just kind of loosely thrown up there right now. Besides that corner's pretty good. Everything else, I was just like, I gotta go, you know, I gotta friggin' hurry up with this. So, all right, let me close this door. I just wanted to get that walking in shot for you guys. So already I'm liking the whole like this thing, because Ronnie brought up that like I said I didn't have to put this here. I could have just made the plywood come out and bolt it here, but I figured it would have been a little bit more sturdy if there was like a beam going across here and then a couple going up here. But I mean, it would have worked either way. Like it's like this plywood's dumb strong. So anyways, I like this because if I want to just lazily throw stuff up here, it won't come crashing down because of the lip. So I just have a couple things thrown around, blah, blah, blah. Like, obviously, like I said, this stuff isn't going to stay like this. The table is a project for another day because this already took long enough. No, we didn't get the refrigerator up there yet. Like I said, that's gonna be up there. Nothing's gonna be on this wall. I think we're gonna have ample room for 2 cars in here. I think it's gonna work out great. I'm really, really liking the way that the shop is like turning out, because I don't know, like the other shop was cool. Yeah, it was a really nice shop. It was too big for me, and I think that's maybe what I like didn't like about it. Like, it's like I could throw anything, anywhere, any orientation it would fit, which is great. It's not something to complain about, but there's just something about this shop that like I'm just starting to really like. Like, I like the way this is set up. It's like everything I'm thinking of is being manifested very quickly. Maybe that's why I'm like enjoying this shop and working on it and all this stuff. So I can't wait to get the cars down here and start working on them. Hopefully that's this week. It's gonna have to be this week. But I mean, there really isn't much at the other shop to go grab. I mean, like, it's like the welder. It's mostly like the welder and a bunch of tools. So all those tools are gonna go in here or on here, like certain things that I'm gonna be using for welding or whatever, like any power tools. Like, I have 3 of these friggin', whatever the hell these boards are called. This board, I got a bunch of hole board. Got all this hole board over here, so I don't know where I want to put this, because if the table's folding up, then it's gonna hit the stuff. So maybe after I do this wall, I'll put the hole board here. I might even go as far as to make another drop down shelf, just like right here on each side, just to have something like that's real close to the table. So like if I'm working on something, I need something out of the way, put it up there, you know, put it over there, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move this, obviously. That's not gonna go too well with folding up, so that's gonna have to go somewhere else. Remember when I was pointing yesterday? Well, now what I'm pointing to is some friggin' legit ass shelves. Some strong shelves, useful shelves, keep everything off the damn floor shelves. So, I mean, even if the table didn't flip up, like my Z could be like right here and it would end probably like at this fan. I don't know, something like that. It's like 14 feet. So, like there would still be room, but with the table flipped up, like the static, you know, there's like a static compression ratio. The static room available would be more, because I'd be able to back the car all the way up, or at least another 3 feet. I also put these lights back in the wall. I like just reposition them. So with that being said, I'm going to end today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. If you enjoyed this video, give it a fat thumbs up and leave a comment for your boys' analytics. We try and get them watch time, views, all that good stuff up. Summer's coming and I'm going to have a lot of cool shit to do, but I need the money to do it. So help your boy out. We got this, and I'll see you guys next time. Very successful video. The shop's looking sweet. My own little slice of shop again, once again. But to be honest, I kind of already like this one better. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time. Freaking peace out. Have a good fucking awakening in the night.